Welcome to the world of Audi, where performance meets design. In this video, we'll explore the all-new Audi 3 Rupees Performance Edition, the sportiest compact model from Audi Sport. Developed for maximum performance, this limited edition vehicle boasts 407 PS of power and a top speed of 300 km per hour. Let's dive in and find out what makes this car so special. The Audi 3 Rupees Performance Edition is a limited edition of 300 units and is the pinnacle of its series both technically and visually. It comes in both the Sportback and sedan variants and guarantees driving fun and emotion across the board. Under the hood, the 3 Rupees Performance Edition is powered by a 5-cylinder turbo engine with increased performance. It is the first vehicle in its segment to achieve a top speed of 300 km per hour, and it delivers 299 kilowatts of power with a torque of 500 Nm. The power is transmitted by the 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission, ensuring top driving performance. The 3 Rupees Performance Edition accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The sound of the 5-cylinder engine is unmistakable and emotional, with a characteristic 1, 2, 4, 5, 3 firing sequence. The standard RS Sports exhaust system with a modified center silencer and glossy black, oval tailpipe trims gives a sporty, robust sound to the outside. The 3 Rupees Performance Edition also boasts top chassis technologies in series production. The RS Sport suspension with adaptive damper control ensures high driving dynamics and stability, continuously and individually adjusting each shock absorber to the road conditions, the driving situation, and the mode selected in Audi Drive Select. The RS Torque Splitter actively distributes the drive torque with full variability between the rear wheels, increasing stability and agility during dynamic driving. This technology also enables drifts on closed-off routes, making it an excellent choice for those who love to take their car to the racetrack. The 3 Rupees Performance Edition runs on semi-slick Pirelli P0, Trofeo R tires as standard equipment, offering particularly high grip in dry conditions, increasing stability and lateral grip. The 19-inch rims in dark gray matte, exclusively available on the special model, have a striking design with 10 cross spokes and display the RS branding. Behind it, the standard 6-piston ceramic brake takes a firm grip, ensuring a quick and safe stop. The Audi 3 Rupees Performance Edition is the ultimate compact sports car that delivers maximum performance and design. With its exclusive features, such as the RS Torque Splitter, RS bucket seats, and semi-slick tires, this limited edition vehicle is truly a street artist. If you're looking for a car that guarantees driving fun and emotion across the board, then the Audi 3 Rupees Performance Edition is the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.